Hi guys, today we are going to explore the visual packages of Python, which are Seaborn and Matplotlib, to AP agricultural dataset. It's a EDA process, exploratory data analysis, which involves the visualization part, and you will enjoy it. Don't miss till the end.
Today we are doing exploratory data analysis of AP agricultural data. Let's go with the data. Here I'm using the pandas package, importing and building the CSV file. Uh, I'm converted into data frame. Let's know about the data frame. The data has listed these commodity, season, UTY, number of farmers, amount. Here commodity is nothing but name of the crop. There are total 97 rows. It is a small data set. It is a clean data set, no null values. Let's know how many unique values are here. These are with respect to unique values, so best data columns. After that, let's see how the headings. This is the tabular form it has, the data frame has, and the thing you should consider is Kharif is something that related to the season. Kharif season, I'm giving the description is October to November, and Rabi the season it starts of November to April. You can go through the description. And 1 ton is 907 kgs, as we know. But let's see this. This is the tabular form, and I'm converting the amount section into 1 lakh rupees. I'm converting this valuation. I'm decreasing the numerical value into lakhs. The thing I'm doing. That means this creates a new date column through this way. In this way, you are creating amount 1 lakh rupees column. I will be showing it in the coming screen. And I'm also creating a column crop value in rupees per kg. I'm converting the amount of 1 lakh rupees per. I'm utilizing the columns, and I'm means in this sense I'm telling that the crop as a value per kg means 1 kg of the crop is valuated to some amount of rupee. That value is in this column. Let me show the head. These are the things which I have done. This is called feature engineering. I done the feature engineering because it will help us to deep dive into the visualization process. It is called exploratory data analysis. Let me take into the. I'm also creating another column that is farmer crop income. That is on an annual a farmer how much a farmer is getting income. Is let's import NumPy as ID and let's run this. Yeah. Here you can observe that on an annual, the farmer is getting an income of 66,720 rupees. Okay, it is the status. After that, I am going through AP, agriculture and AP. I am using group by of crop value. I created a group by for each crop. What is the crop value? That is the group by I created. I sorted according to crop values. I'm showing it as your tabular form. Every crop has a certain crop value. It is in a descending order. The top is green graph, and the bottom the one is maize. After that, I'm imported Matplotlib, and I'm not using Matplotlib before because I'm not using Matplotlib because there is a plot for a plot function inside the pandas also. I'm using the visualization of pandas itself. Here, let me show you how it is. Yeah, here the pandas visualization package I am using. It is a self pandas visualization package. After that, I want to make it beautified. So I'm using the Matplotlib package to make it whatever the resultant into a beautiful thing. And I'm also adding a mean line, and I'm giving it a green color and also shape and size and best way I could. Let's see how it looks with the output. Yeah, here the output is it is having a headings and it having a title and it having a green in color before it is blue, and now it is having a line which is an average which shows us that it speaks in a such a way that it has a 7 crops above the line and 6 crops below the line. In this way we can narrate the story of AP agricultural crop value. After that, come to farmers value. Let's do the same thing. This time I'm focusing on the farmers. Yeah, Jover is giving highest money to the farmers. It's about related to it more than others. The second one is green gram. Green gram is such a thing that it is top at crop value and also in the giving a good earning to the farmers. After that, I want to rank the farming according to the districts. Let's deep dive into it. I'm grouped by I'm using the district and farmers crop income because the income decides the whatever the respected districts ranking according to me. Let's do the ranking, initial ranking accordingly, and we are getting that West Godavari is the top. Let's see the table. West Godavari is the top, East Godavari is at the fourth place, and the YSR is at the last one. Means this is the economy of agriculture in Andhra Pradesh, a certain way of farmers' income. Okay, let's in the graphical representation also as before. Now let's do second ranking. This time I'm taking the crop value. Let's do the thing. Now it's the NTR is giving the top crop value ranking according to the list. If you wish, you can take it. This time, West Godavari is through the third position for the last week. Means if the irrigation facilities of the NTR and all the districts improves, Andhra Pradesh should be well said as an agricultural land. This is the story behind what the graph is telling to us. After that, whatever we can see is I will wish to make graph even beautiful. This is the graph which is even beautiful. I am using this time Seaborn. Seaborn is something that is over Matplotlib. It takes less code and beautifies easily the plotting, whatever you wish. After that, I'm going to the season versus crop yield in Andhra Pradesh. What is the season versus crop yield? Means every season there is a crop yield and it has a crop value. That's what I want to show you. And here you can see Kharif 2020. This is seasons and this is the commodities. These are the crop values respectively. Every time Bajra is the top in Kharif season, and every time, not every time, but different time, green gram in 2019 to 20. After that, Bengal gram is the top. Now you can see that I'm using the area plot here. I want to show something that if you have a plot and you click on dot, it will showing all the graphs which are available for the farmers. So this time I'm using the area graph plot and I am whatever the executing it, I am showing that thing. Here you can observe that there is a downfall, a small peak which is having a huge downfall. This is nothing but there is a COVID period running at this time, so it is having a huge downfall. This is the story behind the graph. What is it speaking of? And after that, I'm using the graph box plot, and the box plot is saying that it is not a regular distribution. It is not a regular distribution. It is having. After that, let's check the bar graph. You know how to execute the bar graph. Let's execute. Yeah, as you know, it's showing the everything. This is a beautiful way it's showing. Everything is covered here. It's showing how economically we have increased the bars. Its significance is showing. It's good for us too. And after that, you can have a line graph. It is nothing but the in area graph and line graphs are almost similar, but the thing is the blue screen is more here. And let's use the line graph using the Seaborn. Here the Seaborn is saying that is a beautiful way, but here there's a thing you should observe. Say something. Yeah, here's this thing you should observe. Kharif 2020 is there and Rabi 2019 to 20 is there. That means first Rabi 2019 to 20 should be at the first position, and after that Kharif 2020 should be there. This is irregular timeline. So the task I'm giving to you is you should make that order of the timeline in a right way, and also mention the top crop in each timeline. Do this task and subscribe. Click the bell icon. Let's involve and evolve together the journey of Python and AI. Have a nice Sunday. Please share and like the video and comment whatever you have learned and whatever you felt on this video. Thank you.